Hey everyone, it's AimTeks here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 10 Amazon bestsellers car gadgets you need in 2025. These aren't just any gadgets. These are the ones that have car enthusiasts raving, tech geeks drooling, and your wallet thanking you for the savings. Whether you're battling range anxiety, tired of awkward maintenance moments, or just need to upgrade your car's cool factor, stick around because each of these products is a game changer. As always, the links for you to quickly reach all the gadgets we reviewed today are shown in the description. Let's kick off the countdown. Kicking things off at number 10, we have the Works Jump Starter, the ultimate lifesaver when your battery decides to take an unscheduled nap. This compact powerhouse not only gives your car that extra burst of energy, but also comes with USB ports for charging your phone, LED lights for emergencies, and even a built-in air compressor. Imagine being stuck in a parking lot and then casually jumping your car back to life. At number 9, say hello to the GarageVac Compact Vacuum Cleaner. Tired of dealing with crumbs, dust, and that mysterious mess in your car? This little beast packs powerful suction in a compact design that fits right in your trunk. With multiple attachments for tight spots and a super easy storage system, cleaning your ride has never been this satisfying. It's like having a personal car mate that never complains. Coming in hot at number 8 is the Hudway Drive Augmented Reality Heads-Up Display. This gadget takes your ordinary windshield and turns it into a futuristic command center. It projects real-time navigation, incoming calls, speed, and driving alerts directly onto your windshield, so your eyes never leave the road. Whether you're dodging traffic or cruising at night, this AR display makes you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. It's not just smart driving, it's super-powered driving. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to sci-fi on the highway. Sliding into number 7, we have the Clearview Power Slide Fridge Tray. Ever try to grab a cold drink from your car fridge and feel like you're auditioning for Cirque du Soleil? This gadget lets you lower your fridge with the push of a button. It's sturdy enough to lift up to 397 pounds, so whether your fridge is stocked with sodas or secret snacks, you can access it effortlessly. Now you can flex on your friends with your high-tech cool factor, literally. At number 6, meet the Smart Car Dash Cam with AI Assistant. This isn't your run-of-the-mill dash cam. It's like having a mini guardian angel on your dashboard. Not only does it record high-definition video, but it also uses AI to analyze real-time road conditions, alerting you to hazards and unexpected situations. Whether it's detecting a stray pedestrian or a sudden pothole, this gadget's got your back, and it even syncs with your smartphone for instant updates. Now that's smart driving. Sliding into number 5, it's time to rev up your ride with the EngineVox exhaust system. Ever wished your car could sound as fierce as a sports car, even if it's a humble commuter? This system uses cutting-edge audio technology to mimic the deep, throaty roar of a high-performance engine. Whether you want to impress your friends or just feel like you're in a movie chase scene, EngineVox transforms your ride into a symphony of power. V8 vibes, here we come. Number 4, T-Smart Shifter. Ditch the old-school gear lever and step into the future with this high-tech magnetic gear system. With responsive LED indicators and a sleek design, shifting gears becomes as intuitive as swiping on your phone. It's like playing a high-speed video game every time you drive. Fast, futuristic, and downright fun. Get ready to shift into high gear, literally. Sliding into the top 3 is the Thermal Master Night Vision Camera. When the sun goes down, this gadget kicks into high gear, using thermal imaging to detect pedestrians, animals, and other vehicles up to 328 yards away, even in total darkness. It's basically Batman's detective mode for your car, ensuring you stay safe on those late-night drives. With real-time alerts and multiple viewing modes, you'll never be caught off guard by unexpected wildlife or rogue road users. At number 2, pet lovers rejoice. The pet loader ladder is a must-have for your furry friends. Designed for dogs who need a little help climbing into tall vehicles, this ladder minimizes strain and ensures safe, easy access. Made from durable materials with a non-slip finish, it's like having a mini staircase built just for your pet. Now your best friend can ride in style and comfort without any acrobatic feats required. And finally, at number 1, we have the UT Up Lid. This isn't just any cargo cover. It's a sleek, high-tech solution for securing your truck's bed. Easy to install and built to last, the UT Up Lid not only protects your cargo from weather and theft, but also gives your truck a seriously modern look. With its streamlined design and durable construction, it's no wonder this gadget is one of the best sellers on Amazon in 2025. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. AimTeks. And that's it, folks. Those were the 10 Amazon bestsellers car gadgets you need in 2025. Which one are you excited to try out? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this ride, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest car tech reviews. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video.